What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian. Welcome back to What the Pun. 2025 season has truly kicked off. So today, what are we doing today? Today we are going back to working on the Mark 5 Gold GTI. We haven't done anything on that car for quite some time, and the last time I think the car was on the channel, we did a bit of work. I can't remember what we did, but it ended quite badly, shall we say. The car broke down at the end of the video. Turns out it was just the charge boost pipe popped off. Charge boost pipe popped off, so I had to like temporarily pop it back in and then gently roll it back home, and then just had a look and then securely fasten the pipe back in. But that's sorted. That's not what we're looking at today. Today on Mark 5 Gold GTI, we are mainly focusing on the front brake disc and pads. So that is what we'll be doing today. So let's get to it. Let's get started on the work. Okay, so to start off with, what do I do? So to start off with, lift up the car, remove the wheel, make sure the car is safely placed on jack stands. Then to make your life easier, penetrating fluid. You can use WD-40, but I prefer penetrating fluid. I find it's a little bit more effective than WD-40 on like really seized or rusted nuts, bolts, screws. So put a bit on the brake disc screw, and then the two that holds in the brake caliper brackets. Those ones tend to be the most rustiest or potentially seized. But yeah, just to do that as soon as your wheel is free, just to give it time to simmer and do its magic. But in terms of order of things, most people tend to remove the brake caliper, brake brackets, then remove the brake disc. What I haven't told you yet is that I've already attempted to try to do the driver's side. That's messed up, so I'm waiting for tools to arrive so I can extract the brake disc screw. So in order to avoid that problem on the passenger side, now I'm going to try the brake disc screw first before attempting the caliper and bracket, because last thing I want to do is remove everything and then I'm like wasting my time trying to remove the brake disc screw when it's also going to round off and it's badly seized. So I'm going to try that first before I do anything else. But in terms of the driver's side, waiting for some tools so I can extract that rounded off screw. Cool, wish me luck. So I might be doing something wrong, but yeah, this side is stuck as well. So I'll have to try and do this again another day with the extraction tool, or maybe I might have to drill it out. I did not what I really want to do, but I don't have the time for this right now. Got lots going on, but I thought it might be different today because I thought I'll try a different approach. I'll do a lot of preparation, penetration fluid, use a punch tool to tap on the screw a bit more, just to break any sort of rust or seize, break it loose a bit, use impact tool as well, but nah, not having any of it on this side. So yeah, that's me out today. The next time I reattempt this might be, depends how much time I have. Time is not on my side lately, but yeah, next time I'll be using an extraction tool for both passenger side and driver side. Yeah, catch your well, to be fair, this is all going to be a short video for you, but for me, it's time has many days or weeks will probably have passed by the time I finish the brakes. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you on the next part of this video. Alright, so back on the GTI brake disc and pads. Day, whatever it is, attempt 3, 4, I don't know. But hopefully the last time I'll have to do this. And hopefully today is going to be successful. We're going to do it. So prepared. We're going to war on these brake discs. So I've come prepared this time. So last stage, if we can't get these damn discs out, we've got these metal drill bits, and we're going to drill that seize stuck brake disc screw out. I have replacements, so I don't care. If I need to drill it out, we're going to drill it out. But firstly, I'm going to try this little screw extractor kit. Hopefully it will work. Fingers crossed. I mean, the Amazon reviews were amazing, so I hope that, you know, that's a good sign that this will work. If it doesn't, like I said, we're going to war. We're going to war. We've got the metal screw drill bits. We've got the metal drill bits. That's just gonna drill it out. If in doubt, drill it out. So let's go. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, as you can see, we have made amazing progress. I said I was going into war with this, and we won the war. The extraction tool, useless. So within like 30 seconds, I already knew it was going to do nothing at all. So in the end, I used the drill bits, drilled out as much as I can that stuck brake disc screw, and then that loosened up, boom. And then I knew already that I was going to have the same problem with the brake dust shield screws, because yeah, this was like a bit knackered. So I already I already have a new one in place. I already have a new one in place, and I had to use the same technique to destroy the screws. But as I was going on, I kind of discovered I used the technique that the extraction tool guide has taught me, which is basically drill a hole and then use the other bit to then pull the screw out, which it didn't work with the extraction tool, but with my drill bits it worked with some. So I used that technique, made a hole, then use reverse to kind of like, it'll kind of catch, you'll know, it'll kind of catch and it'll stop spinning, and then you just kind of slowly let it turn and it loose. Some of them I can use my hands to unscrew. It got so good. Others I'd had to use like the hammer and the bashing pin to try to make it move. But yeah, made amazing progress. Now I'm just gonna have to clean everything up and then put all the new bits in, and boom, that's it. But amazing progress. But one thing I just want to say before I continue is, as I've said in all my other videos, you can never have too many tools. The more tools you have, you're just giving yourself more options. Because if I didn't have all these tools, I wouldn't have the options of using drill bits or the bashing bits. The more tools you have at your disposal, the more like options, the more ammunition you have to tackle tough jobs like this. So yeah, that's once again my word of advice. You can never have too many tools. Anyways, let me wrap up. Let me tidy this up, put the new bits in. I am so happy today. So yeah, that's basically the front passenger side done. I literally had the lunch break and then came back to finish off the rest, like reassemble that side, and the daylight just vanished like that, like so quick. As you can see from the transition, the lighting in the different transitions was literally like night and day. It's just changed so quick. So trying to get early starts, but I had so many different errands to do today. But hopefully this should be a doddle on the driver's side today, now that I know how to do the passenger side. Well, I discovered how to do the passenger side, so now I should have the techers to tackle the driver's side. But yeah, the brakes, disc and calipers, disc and pads done. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found the content useful, and like I said so many times, you can never have too many tools. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop your comments down below or reach out to me on Instagram. If you're enjoying the video or the content, if you're just enjoying the channel in general, be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like, and from me, that's it this week. See you all next time. Bye bye.